The Regional Democratic Alliance candidate, Robert June Kharjarin, held his Lok Sabha election campaign for Shillong Parliamentary Constituency in West Jaintia Hills District at Umlat Khor village in the Amblarem subdivision yesterday evening. Addressing the public, Kharjarin focused on promoting and preserving the indigenous identity of the indigenous people, aligning closely with the ideology of the regional party. He also criticized the incumbent Congress MP for neglecting important issues like ILP, Khasi language inclusion and boundary disputes. He expressed his dedication to addressing the numerous pending issues with the government of India.
Kenal mengimpak menskong ya kene kerti ke dustur ke jongi kalau ke kau berdun kau kalau kum ke dor kau melak bentik melak banyak kene ke cina dah kau kau bakum ke cek berdu miem hak banyak dah kumung ya banyak dah ya kata ke cina kerpang ke cek berdu jongi ni tinggi bang kumung dah kato kat ni kiri silat dah kato kat ni kipol ke parti kibong bah yang bujili no yang kata kan district council yang bujili no yang kasih schedule dari way capital meeting ni yang kalau kanorin badang bagian pengklan batang pempa yang kan district council bat yang kasih schedule kebal mengi ila bat kalau jongi dilen ba.
The Khasi